Welcome to a new recipe in Kalushona channel. This is a very unique recipe of bokfish or gangdara fish as it is known in Bangladesh and West Bengal. It is found in the rivers and ponds. Nowadays it is very uncommon to find this fish normally. I got a few of them and I wanted to show how to cook them. It's very easy, it's super easy and super light. So this is how we cut the fishes. We take out the head portion and take out the fins and the tail, and then we make it into small pieces after clearing out the guts or the entrails. So this is how we are taking out all the entrails or the innards and making small pieces of the fish. But you have to take out the scales first like this on both sides of the fish's body. I showed how to cut this fish because all depends on how you prepare the fish. This is not to be fried very hard or doesn't require a lot of spices to cook. It is very easy and make a very light curry. This is how we are making the fish pieces, and one by one I have cut all of them, and this is how it looks. Now we sprinkle salt and turmeric just like in any other fish curry you do before, and marinate them and keep them aside for 10 to 20 minutes so that the salt sets in. We require white mustard, onions, tomatoes and panchphoron or mixture of 5 spices for tempering along with red chilies. We are making a paste of the mustard for the curry along with green chilies. This is how I have made the paste, but you might jolly well make it in a mixer grinder with very little water. Too much of water will not allow the paste to be made or ground into a smooth consistency. So this is how it looks after being made into a paste. We take mustard oil in a wok for frying the pieces of fishes. After the oil is heated, you put in the fish pieces and do not scratch them or turn them till one side is done. I covered them so that the cooking will be done quickly. And then after taking out the cover, one side is done and I turn to the other side and take them out as soon as the golden brown color appears. This fish is not to be fried too much because otherwise it will spoil the taste of the fish. In this way, batch by batch, I have fried all the pieces. You notice me spreading them out, covering them, so that one side is done, and after that turning them and taking them out after both sides have just turned golden brown. Do not brown them any farther because that will burn out the fish protein and it will taste bad. Now in the rest of the oil left in the wok, we are tempering with dry red chilies and panchphoron. This is a typical Bengali spice which is a mixture of cumin, mustard, randhuni and fennel and nigella. So these 5 spices are used in it. Then we fry the cut onion piece till the color changes and add the tomatoes and a pinch of salt so that the tomatoes and the onion, they soften up quickly. We cover it and fry till the color has turned into golden. Do not fry the onions till it turns black. That will spoil the taste. Now you add the mustard paste. The mustard paste also should be fried along with this because otherwise it will taste raw. So we are frying the mustard paste along with the onion and the tomatoes. After frying it a little bit, we add a sprinkle of water so that it doesn't burn out. Look how it has come up to a boil. You can watch the bubbles coming up, indicating that the mustard paste is fried well. You add a splash of turmeric, which is must for all the fish curries, and 3 slit green chilies. You can add green chilies according to your taste or according to the amount you might be able to take. I have added the green chilies for their flavor. It tastes super nice if you have slit green chilies in the curries. Now I have added a little bit more water and allowed the curry to boil up. This boiling will cause all the spices to get mixed thoroughly, and after boiling for 3 to 5 minutes, I have added the fish pieces and a little bit of water by washing the paste, mustard paste bowl. That's the water I have added, nothing extra. So now let the fish pieces soak in the taste of the curry, and the final touch is still left. Wait for the final touch, and that creates a beautiful taste. Just wait till the curry boils up and cover it and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes, and before you take it out, put half a lemon juice. This lemon juice adds a beautiful taste, and a little bit of mustard oil also on top of it. So now the tel chhal of bok fish or gangdara fish has been made. Look at the beautiful color.